How to reduce image size in KB. You can easily reduce image size in KB online without installing any software, and this is useful for uploading images to websites, email or forms. So first of all, open your Google web browser, then in search address bar type down reduce image size and hit enter. Now from the list of the apps, scroll down and look for the reduce image size in KB and simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, all you have to do is follow the on-screen instructions to upload the images. Now upload the image you want to reduce size of. Now once I upload the image, you can simply tap on the convert button available there and type down how much you want to reduce this image size from. Once done, so you can simply tap on the go to download button available there and simply download it to your device. And that will be. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.